So now let's create a really similar shape to what we just did, except instead of using circles, we'll use squares. So we're going to create a cube and just cut out these squares this time. So let's go out and create a new part. New part file. We're going to start with a cube again. And we'll just change the numbers. I drag that out so we can see it better. Okay, and I'll turn off the dimensions, and this time we're going to go out and use a rectangle by center. So I want to sketch on this face, and so we'll lock to that face, click on the lock, and then I'm going to come down to sketch view and click on the sketch view, and I can just use a center for this one. I'm going to drag this out, and let's make this 85 tab, 85 tab. And here's a critical thing. If I don't type in 0 or just click, see when I move my cursor it's like, whoa, it's rolling around. But I just want it to be square like this. And so I can just click when it's square, but it's asking me for an angle. Well, and if I just type 0, I want a 0 angle. Oh, then it squares it up. So just be careful of that. So now I come to the select button, click in the region. That's the closed area, and just push that through. And we can see how that's cut that away. I'll do the same thing again on the top view. Click on the lock. I know I'm locked because I look over there and it says I'm locked. And then when I'm locked, I can do this and it'll flip it over to that view. And then I can come back and just draw, and I can find the center because my axis isn't in the center this time. Do the same thing, 85 tab, 85 tab, and I'm going to type 0 for the angle. And go back to select, grab the region, push that all the way through, ready for the third one. So I sketch on here, I lock to this face, and I could rotate it around close, but it sure is easier to hit the sketch view and say this is asleep, so I'll just drag across. I don't click, drag across. There we go. Center, 85 tab, 85 tab, 0 for the angle. And then I just come and blow this through the side. And go ahead and change the colors to what I had earlier. Remember the colors? View, Part Painter, and select your face and style and change colors.